Hello, I'm going to introduce you to my birds. This is Lemmy. She's a mommy's girl. Say, I'm a mommy's girl. Hi, Lemmy. Loves the camera. We're going to go over here. There's Stitches. Stitches, give me kisses. Kiss. That's how she gives kisses. Another kiss, kiss. Now we're going to find Rebel. He's back there somewhere. Let's find him. Where's Rebel? I see him. He's hiding from the camera. There's Rebel. Rebel will give me kisses. Come here. Rebel. I can't see. This is Rebel. Rebel's gonna give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Not while he's out. And he's gonna run. That's Rebel. I'm so handsome. There's my babies. Lemmy. Stitches. She's being mean. And Rebel. For bye-bye. Look at mommy's girl. Say hi. Say hi, Stitches. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? There's Lemmy coming back for mommy.